Recently, this NFT was sold for $7.5 million. This one sold for $6.6 million. And this monkey image was sold for $2.5 million. What are these things anyway? And why are these things getting this much value? For the past few months, there is a word buzzing around the internet. It's NFT. But what is an NFT? Why are these things used for? Why are NFTs getting this much value? How can we buy and sell NFTs online? What is the future of NFTs? If you want to find out the answers for these questions, make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe for this channel. Welcome back everybody, I am Vamsi Kanakam and let's get started. So, what is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. In order to understand what is non-fungible, you must understand what fungible means. Fungible means replaceable or exchangeable with an identical item. Let's say you have a textbook and you want to replace. You can replace it with any other identical textbook in a bookstore or in a library. It's fungible. But what is non-fungible? Non-fungible means non-replaceable. Let's say there are two identical notebooks. You got one and your friend got one. Now you wrote maths in it and your friend wrote physics in it. Now even though they are physically identical, they both are unique. You can't replace it with each other. This is non-fungible. Even though the items are same, you can't replace it with each other. So when it comes to NFT tokens, each token is unique. So what is the use of NFT? The complete use of NFTs are not yet discovered, but there are some still functioning. NFTs can be used as collectibles, NFTs can be used for digital art, and NFTs also can be used for smart contracts. Let's say you own a house in real life, and if somebody asks what's the proof that you own this house, you can show the documents as a proof that this house belongs to you. But when it comes to digital world, you have no proof that this particular data belongs to you. This data can be anything. It can be music, it can be video, it can be digital art, etc. So here NFT took forward and it acts as a proof that this particular data belongs to you. This proof will be stored in a public blockchain. So why do these NFTs getting this much value? There are two reasons. The first one is due to its own uniqueness feature. Each NFT is unique, and due to this uniqueness feature, people are trusting on NFTs that their digital data is safe and authenticated. The second reason is due to the same uniqueness feature, people are treating it as a digital asset. Then why are these NFT prices fluctuating? In real life, real estate also have price fluctuations. Similarly, NFT also having price fluctuation depending on the market. During the budget 2022, Government of India itself announced these NFTs will come under the virtual digital assets category and imposed 30% tax on it. So now how can we buy or sell NFTs? Let's say you make some artwork, clicked some photographs or created some music or video. Now you want to make these as NFTs. There are some websites like OpenSea, Rarible, BuzzRx NFTs and so on. Now in order to create account in these platforms, you must have a crypto wallet like MetaMask. Now after creating account in MetaMask, link it to any of these websites you want to make NFTs. Follow the sign up process and you will get done. Now if you want to make NFTs, some gas fee may be charged. This gas fee may cost you around $200 to $400. A lot of people use Ethereum for making NFTs. If you want, you can use Polygon instead of Ethereum as no gas fee may charge. Now after making NFTs, you can put these NFTs on sale and mint it. This sale may exist for a certain period. During this certain period, the person who bids high get your NFT and you get paid. There are even some chances that your NFT may not be sale. If you want to buy NFTs, you can use the same platforms for buying. You can search for any NFT you want to buy and you can bid for it and you can get the NFT back. So what's the future of NFT? According to me, NFTs get far more value than now and can be used for many different things. For example, they can be used as tickets for shows and concerts. They can be used as avatars in Metaverse, or they can be used as accessories in Metaverse. I think there are much more uses in Metaverse in future. What do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.